Once upon a time, there was a young man who dreamed of becoming a successful entrepreneur. He read every book and attended every seminar, hoping to learn the secrets of success. But as he struggled to bring his ideas to life, he realized that there was something missing. It wasn't just about having the big idea, it was about the micro skills needed to make it a reality. In this video, we're going to share the 10 micro skills that he learned the hard way and how they helped him finally achieve his dreams. So grab a notebook and get ready to take notes because these micro skills could be the key to unlocking your own success story. Welcome to Investing Alpha. Number 1. We've all been there. You have an amazing idea, but when it comes to explaining it to others, you stumble and fumble over your words. It's frustrating, right? Well, the truth is that articulating your ideas is a vital skill that can make or break your success. Whether it's a lack of vocabulary or a poor understanding of concepts, not being able to communicate your thoughts effectively can hold you back in your personal and professional life. But fear not, because we've got a quick tip to help you master this skill. Simply start journaling for 5 or 10 minutes every morning and watch as your ability to express yourself improves in leaps and bounds. Number 2. Do you have the power to ignite a spark of excitement in others? Can you make people feel like they simply have to be part of what you're proposing? You've surely encountered those who can effortlessly make even the dullest ideas sound thrilling. You can't resist their contagious enthusiasm, and even if things don't go as planned, you still feel like it was worth it. This is the invaluable micro skill of getting people excited, an absolute must-have for anyone in a leadership role. Whether you're a team leader, manager, or CEO, you need to be able to inspire action from those around you. And if you take a look at the world's top executives, you'll find that they all possess this critical skill. So are you ready to master it and take your leadership abilities to the next level? Number 3. Do you have what it takes to sell your vision? This micro skill is a potent combination of the first two, sprinkled with a bit of sweetness. Selling the vision means presenting people with the potential you envision. You have the roadmap in your head. You've done the legwork and you can see it happening. But can you persuade others that your vision is based on reality and not merely fairy tales? At the end of the day, you can only achieve so much on your own. If you can't sell your vision to others, your progress will be stunted. So, can you inspire and convince others to join you on the journey to success? Number 4. Networking is crucial, but many struggle to get started. Forget the idea that it means donning a name tag and introducing yourself to everyone in a room. That's not likely to get you far. Instead, try this. Reconnect with old friends without any expectations, then introduce them to others. It's that simple. Maybe you have a friend who's now a lawyer and you haven't spoken in ages. Perhaps you have another friend who needs legal advice. You ask them separately if they want to be introduced, then do it. Now, you've helped someone out and given another person a client. That's casual networking in action. Number 5. Have you ever wondered why some people are so successful in business and relationships? One key to their success is giving more than they take. It might sound risky to be generous and open yourself up to being taken advantage of, but the truth is, people who are worth doing business with won't do that. Instead, they will reciprocate and give a little more too. Giving more than you take is not just about making a profit. It's about creating a mutually beneficial relationship. When you give a little extra to a client, they will always remember and come back to you. When you give a little more in a relationship, your partner will be inspired to do the same. Remember, there's enough success to go around, so don't be afraid to give a little more and watch the rewards roll in. Number 6. Do you want to break free from your bubble and see the world with fresh eyes? Then start by listening to both sides of the story. It's easy to get trapped in an echo chamber on social media where you only see content that confirms your beliefs. But that's a recipe for ignorance. Don't be content with a one-sided view of the world. Whenever you're searching something, challenge yourself to seek out opposing viewpoints. Who knows, you may discover a new perspective that shakes up your world and strengthens your convictions. So, don't settle for a limited view. Open your ears, your mind, and your heart to both sides. Number 7. Are you tired of feeling like you're stuck in a hamster wheel at work, going through the motions without really accomplishing anything? It's time to embrace the power of focus bursts. Let's face it, nobody can work at peak productivity for 8 hours straight. That is just not how our brains work. But if you give your undivided attention to a task for a concentrated period of time, say 2 to 3 hours, you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. By focusing your energy and creativity on one task at a time, you'll be able to accomplish more than most people do in a full day at the office. So don't waste your time on distractions. Harness the power of focus bursts and make every minute count. Number 8. Let's talk about Googling. And by that, we mean the art of finding reliable and pertinent information online. It may surprise you to learn that many people are terrible at it and have missed out on countless opportunities because they failed to Google properly. The truth is, it's impossible for anyone to know everything about everything. So don't be ashamed to Google. In fact, it's one of the most overlooked skills in any profession, including coding. Smart coders don't have all the answers, but they do know how and where to find them. Number 9. Rejection can be tough, whether it's in negotiations, dating, or work. Some people struggle so much with rejection that they avoid any kind of interaction. But here's a story to put it all into perspective. A freelance writer rewrote an award-winning book and changed only the author's name. He submitted the book to several publications, including the one that originally published the book, and every single one rejected it. The lesson here is that rejection doesn't necessarily mean you're not good enough. Sometimes, it just means that people don't have all the information or they themselves are flawed. Everyone has their own problems, so don't take rejection too personally. Number 10. Learn how to finesse your way into a room. Just because you have the skills and solutions people need doesn't mean they'll come running to you. You need to create opportunities for yourself. This is where faking it comes into play, not by pretending to be someone you're not, but by strategically presenting yourself and your ideas. Take Dropbox, for instance. They used a 3-minute video pitch to showcase their product, even though it didn't actually exist yet. We're not encouraging you to deceive anyone, but you must knock on the door and do it louder than anyone else. This fake it till you make it approach landed them thousands of beta testers and propelled their success. Success demands a little finesse. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Create them yourself and be bold in doing so. As a bonus for sticking around until the end, we've got one last piece of advice for you. Standing out from the crowd is tough, especially if you're trying too hard to be different. But the truth is, we all have unique qualities and quirks that make us who we are. Embrace those differences and let them shine. No two people work exactly the same way, so why force yourself into a cookie-cutter routine? One way to start is by creating your own morning routine that works best for you. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what suits you best. It's time to own who you are and let the world see what makes you stand out. Stay true to yourself and the rest will follow. That's the end of this video. Congratulations! You've just taken the first step towards mastering the 10 micro skills that are essential for success in life. By applying these skills to your daily routine, you'll be amazed at how quickly you start achieving your goals and living your best life. But remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Don't just stop here. The journey to success is ongoing, and we're here to support you every step of the way. So if you want to keep growing and developing as a person, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of like-minded individuals. Together, we'll continue to explore new ways to unleash our full potential and achieve our wildest dreams. Turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. And don't forget to leave a comment and let us know which micro skill you're most excited to master. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.